Okay, welcome to step 4 and the last step of implementation of Pego for this machine learning project without scikit-learn library using Python. So in this project, we are going to, this is the final steps, and now we have our document set in the required format, and we have removed all punctuations from the document set. We have also splitted all the words into individual word, which means tokenized. The sentence is tokenized and split into individual word. And we can proceed to counting the occurrence of each word in each document of the document set. So in this step, we will use a counter method and pre-processed documents we have created previously here as an input, and create a dictionary with the keys being each word in each document and the corresponding values being the frequency of the occurrence of that word. And we are going to save each counter dictionary as an item in a list called frequency list. So the counter, let's implement this from collection. Import counter and also import p print. Okay, for let's create frequency list that is an empty list for every I in pre-process documents. We can count the frequency of the occurrences of that corresponding that item in the list for I. Counters count counter I, and we are going to append to the list, which contain the along with the corresponding the values of being the frequency of the occurrence of that word, and append frequency count. Frequency count is not defined. Okay. Now we are going to print the result, and let's try to see what we are going to see in this result. Okay, p print. Frequency type module objects not. Okay, we can yeah, here we can see the counter. For example, hello. From this hello is only the occurrence of the first item is 1. Just the corresponding in the dictionary, just creating the item with corresponding occurrence of that word, and how it's occurred 1 R1 in the list. So each list is created, and it is frequencies of occurrences of that item. So this is the implementation of Pego for this. Congratulations, we have implemented Pego for this without using any scikit library, using Python programming. So this is a simple way how we can implement Pego for this. So in this step, we have gone through the first step about converting strings into lowercase. This is the first thing you keep in mind when you have a set of documents. So you are going to split that documents into lowercase if there are uppercase words or sentences in that document. Then once converted that document into lowercase, then the next step is about removing all punctuation from that document set, because punctuations are not useful for our big of words implementation. So we cannot, punctuation marks are not be counted at the frequency of occurrences. And once we have removed all occurrences, punctuation from that document set, and we are going to split that, which means tokenization of a sentence is just if that document may contain a sentence, a lot of sentences. So we are going to split that sentences into individual word. Tokenization means that. So from that tokenization we have created, that is the pre-processed documents. We are reaching to the final stages of the documents. So we have created a list of lists because each sentence may be splitted into a lists based on the delimiters we specify in that split method. Then the final steps in this bag of word implementation is about counting the frequencies or the occurrences of word in that documents. Then we create a dictionary with the corresponding word with corresponding values of occurrences of that word. So this is all about the lesson. And next time we will implement a big project about machine learning or spam classification using bag of words. Thanks for watching.